What is up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in to another video. We got these Matchbox moving parts. This is an 83 Buick Rivera Convertible. There you go, very beautiful car in red. Let's check it out. Got a little bit of brown interior, and it looks very nice. And the doors open, driver door, and oh, it's just the driver door. That's pretty. Oh no, both doors. There you go, both doors open. You got that brown interior, clear windshield, a little bit of gray, I think, but very nice. I like it. You got the lights, the side lights painted. The front, not really. The license plate, the temples, they don't have them. The wheels are plastic. So the whole thing with these is just the doors, the moving parts, like it says. I like that pinstripes on the side. It's a really simple and nice clean design. Paint job. But there you go. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, Rivera? Leave a comment below, a like, subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Peace.